Hey all, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. And here we are heading to Horsley Hills from Madanpalli. We started at around 4 pm, and by the time we reached Horsley Hills, it's the sunset time, and we enjoyed a lot watching the beautiful sunset. Just look at these bushy trees, curvy roads, and eye-feasting landscape backgrounds, and rocky mountains here and there, beautiful valleys. What not? It's amazing trip. It's an amazing trip for nature lovers. Bathe your souls with the innocence, calmness, and the fascinating visuals of these Horsley Hills along with me. Look at these. These eucalyptus trees in Horsley Hills are said to be the oldest ones. Give a feast to your olfactory nerves along with me. Of course, you can't smell, but try to feel the smell by going through these oldest eucalyptus trees among the Horsley Hills.
Eyes opened wide, so many things I see outside.
And finally, we stepped into Horsley Hills, also called Andhra Ooty. There are numerous roadside hotels, private resorts inviting you through the Horsley Hills. And here is the Harita Restaurant and Resort, which is maintained by AP Tourism Department. To the left of Harita Resorts, there are mini zoo, Ayurvedic spa center and sports activity centers. And to the right are the viewpoints. Now we are heading to the sunset viewpoint. Also, there are Galibanda viewpoints and much more. A huge thanks to the nature's creativity, our human eye. It was proven once again that nothing can compete with nature's creativity. See, this camera lens is not at all focusing the sunset view. Actually, when seen with the eye, it's really so much pretty. And the camera is focusing only 20 to 30% of this beauty.
Come on, let's fly away, far away, a place where we know we can be together.
Just have a look at those faraway mountains with the sun in the center, looking like inviting you to the most beautiful place on the earth.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Just acknowledge minute details of your life to live the life at its fullest potential. If you see there, it is the Galibandalu viewpoint. One can walk down the entire hill rock, admiring the unobstructed view of valleys of Horsley Hills, and this is one of the prime places to visit in Horsley Hills. The eastern and western viewpoints here are great places for sunrises and sunsets. Traveling is one of the ways to find the real purpose of life. It gives a lot of diversion from our routine hustles and bustles. With lots of natural beauty around you, vanishing the negativity within you and increasing the positivity around you, making you and your soul a pure form. Look at the colors in the sky, yellow, orange and sky blue merging with one another, making the background a beautiful one. Similarly, good, bad, sad, sorrows, happiness, peace, everything will merge in our lives, making it a beautiful thing. So, let's practice to ignore the bad and cherish the good in every situation and move forward with great zeal in your lives. Just look at the sunset point. It's the sun dipping into the valley, isn't it? Also called as dipping sun view. And the nearest airport from Horsley Hills is the Bengaluru airport, and the nearest railway station is the Madanpalli railway station, and there are plenty of buses available. And look at the sun. What a beauty. It's looking like the sun is dipping into the valley. Wow. And within few minutes, the sun has vanished, appearing as if it has dipped into the valley of Horsley Hills. And do you know the interesting fact that the term Horsley is derived from the person named Horsley, who was the collector of Kadapa once and who lived here by building a home, as he loved this innocence and calmness of Horsley Hills. Also, local people call it as Enugula Mallamma Konda, as once a lady named Mallamma, who used to treat the tribal people and who was fed then by the elephants around these Horsley Hills. And after a few days or years, that lady has vanished, making people believe that she was a goddess who came to make people, to save people. And also here there is a temple named Mallamma Temple, and people here make pujas. Staying a night at Horsley Hills gives you a more complete experience than just visiting. We didn't stay here as we didn't book it online before, but if you guys are interested, just book online 2 days prior to your visit so that you'll have a complete experience of Horsley Hills, both the sunset and the sunrise views. It's time to go to home, and we wind up the day with few chocolates